Hello guys, it's been a long time since we filmed our video, and yeah, I just remembered that I promised to give Japanese lessons, right? But anyway, I'm so busy, I'm sorry I can't do that but right now, but someday it will come, right? And yeah, I have just decided to film this video because I just would like to help foreigners here in Japan, especially here in Japan, wherein it's very expensive to go to a salon. Okay, so let me tell you my story. Let's just go direct to the point. A month ago, I went to the city to dye my hair, and yeah, because I really wanted to dye my hair. Like, I really wanted to change because our skin tone or our face changes whenever you have a haircut or a hair dye, something like that. And I did it, but I was not really that satisfied with the color. I mean, I'm satisfied with the look, but I understand it didn't really color my hair because they said it's a virgin hair, or I really have, or I have the naturally super duper black hair, and it was difficult for them to color. I really understand that. So for that reason, I was a little satisfied, but not to that level. So fast forward last week, after I recovered from my cold, I decided to immediately bleach my hair. Actually, in my last company, I mean my former job, I always colored my hair. Sometimes I went to the salon or just did it myself because my hair grows so fast. Yeah, and so I bleached my hair, and I didn't want to really bleach whole because, you know, if I decided to straighten my hair, then it only this part is like a damaged one, not this one. So I left this out during bleaching. So I saw this kind of video about, you know, Blackpink's Jennie's hair, like, yeah, and I really wanted to like look punk or something. So yeah, I decided to bleach it, and only this part, right? Yeah. And I also saw some videos about bleaching the inner part here. So I did it, but when I came to the school, most children noticed it's so noticeable because, you know, it's only this part, and there's a high contrast between the black and the bleached part. So like, Kumeri sensei, sumeta no? It's always like that. So now I have decided to use the purple shampoo. So I actually bought the Murasaki shampoo, Anadonna, but it didn't work. I'm gonna have a review of that maybe in the future. So now I ordered something from Amazon. So it just arrived now, I mean just a while ago. And it is Qualucia Purple Color Shampoo. Yeah, because I don't want to go back to the salon. You know, just the coloring cost like around 6,000, like that. 6,000 yen. And if I go back there, aside from the money, like additional chemicals, because I'm sure they're gonna bleach all of these ones and then color it. So let's just try this one. There are many good reviews about this on YouTube. Most of them are in Japanese. Actually, I haven't found an English one, so now I'm right here so that those foreigners, or especially those Filipinos living here who want to save money, can, yeah, if they failed in bleaching their hair, they can make it a little bit ashy or something like that. If it doesn't neutralize the brightness or the goldenness of my hair, then I'm gonna use the black color treatment, which is black. So it means sinayang ko lang yung pera ko, diba? Last month I spent around 6,000 more than 6,000, and plus the pamasahe, the fare back and forth is like 3,000. And ano, pagkain pa doon, paghihintay pa doon, so like around 10,000 yen. So very expensive, right? Okay, so let's get to the point. Okay, let's start. Okay, as you can see, first of all, this is my hair. Only these inner portions were bleached, and I didn't take a bath. I didn't wash this one for 2 days, so that the oils, you know, I'm not sure. During bleaching, it's supposed not to be washed. You should not supposed to wash it. But for color treatment, I don't know. I just want to put some oils. I'm not sure if it can make it less effective or more effective. Okay, so this is my hair when I tie it. You know, for kindergarten teachers, actually, some of my colleagues have yellow hair, but the contrast of mine is very like so bright, especially like, yeah. I stand out. That's that one. So okay guys, now we're here at my ano bang tawag dito? Beautifying corner. Charot. Saan yung tawagan ni? I forgot. But anyway, like this. Okay, now we're gonna use it. We're gonna start. Yeah, I miss this place. It's been 2 days, hindi pa ako nakapagilamos or nag-toothbrush naman ako kagabi. Anyway, let's start.
It says to rinse your hair. Shampoo or pre-wash it. I'm using this kind of shampoo, the Salon, any kind of shampoo I think. But the Salon just gave this to me. I think it's a color safe shampoo. Maybe all na lang, no? It's a shampoo ko all. Oh, I miss the water. So sayang pala yung huli ko, binash kasi nag-wash ako. Anyway, I think the purpose of this is to cleanse or dampen your hair. So, hindi pala siya katulad ng bleach kasi for bleaches, you really have to, really have to put a lot of oils. But here, maybe, this is not as strong as the bleach, so need siya ng makakapitan, so dapat, na hair, cleansed hair. The next thing that you do, actually I just read this one, the instructions on Amazon, is to dampen, to a little bit towel dry your hair, and then, without further ado.
Okay, you just have to click it, and then, wala akong gloves. I've actually prepared. Ganyan. So, simula tayo sa maliit muna kasi kakatakot. Yung amoy niya, parang grapes. Budo. Violet siya. So, ganun daw. I'm sorry, English pala to. Because I saw on the other reviews that they put a lot. According to, wala namang sinabi, or there, it's not in the instructions, like how much you should put. Like, sa tingin mo lang siguro. In your own opinion, char. Para siyang jackfruit? Sorry. First, it smells like grapes. And now it smells like jackfruit. I want to prioritize this part. Because, you know, this one is the brightest part. Oh. It's really, purple. Purple. It's not painful, it's not itchy on my skin. I actually have a sensitive skin char. Sure. I added some more. By the way, guys, I just bought the 250 ml from Amazon, and it costs like around 1,850 yen. But actually, I prefer the golden part or the orangey part if it's not because of my job, because my face really becomes bright with warm tones. Next time, gusto ko na magpahingahin yung yung body ko for against chemicals. So in the future, if this is successful, I'm gonna bleach my whole head and use this as a toner. Okay, see you after 5 minutes. Already 5 minutes, and let's see. Still a bit yellow. Yellow, ne? But it's not really as bright as before. Anyway, I'm not sure after I wash it if it's like that. Let's just have it extended for 5 minutes more. Let's see. Okay. See you later after 5 minutes. So now it's the 10th minute. So 10 minutes passed. Yeah. Still I can see some golden part. Looks like a bright brassy one. Maybe I didn't apply a lot. Maybe just a little. Anyway, let's just see it. Let's just rinse and blow dry. And later, let's try. If we're not yet satisfied, let's just try. Okay. So here, I'm gonna rinse this. I'm really afraid of my phone getting wet, so basta, I'm rinsing my hair now. Then we're gonna have to blow dry. Maybe air dry is better, but I just wanna see the results immediately, because if it's still not of my liking, then I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We're back. So here's the result after 10 minutes of leaving it on our hair. Yeah, I think it became a little bit ashy, so the warm tones got fewer. But anyway, it actually depended. Anyway, I haven't washed this carefully. It's a little bit violet. So maybe we should add more next time. We should be generous in putting more or leave it on more. It made my hair softer. And anyway, the scent was good, so that's really a plus point for me. And yeah, it became a little bit ashy. But anyway, this part still has some golden or very warm tone, so we need to do it again. But this part got better. Alright, take a look at that compared to the previous one. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm quite satisfied with this. I have just bleached my hair 1.5 times. 1.5 because it's like 30 minutes, and after 10 minutes I bleached it again, only this part. And this kind of product is recommended. Where's the box? There. Is recommended especially for Asian hair. And yeah, it turned my hair a little bit okay, but still this is not the one that we're looking for, so we have to cover this up, like the black or gray ones. Anyway, I like this. If I were not a kindergarten teacher, it's good, right? But anyway, I love my work more. Okay, so that's all, guys. So far I like this one, and if I've bleached my hair, whole hair, I would use this. I highly recommend this. Alright, it's not yet goodbye. So this is our second time of toning our hair using that purple shampoo, Qualucia Fiole shampoo. Alright, let's see. This is the 20th minute of our second round. I think I'm liking the result. It has turned a little bit really like an ashy brown. Okay, so I think I'll be satisfied with this. Okay, so let's just wash this. See you later. Alright, so this is the result after leaving it on for 20 minutes. Yes, the second round, right? The 20th minute of our second round. I'm actually contented about this, but yeah, I just want to show you. I think it really became ashy, and I like it. I'm not sure if you can really see it on camera. It became less brassier, and you know, it's not golden orange anymore. It's like an ashy brown. Take note, you have to be careful if you have bleached your hair many times. Do not leave it on for like more than 10 minutes. So try it first, because this part is the ichiban, or the lightest part, and it became a little bit like grayish, greenish gray. I haven't washed this properly. It's still violet or purple. Yeah, anyway, yeah. So the color depends on the level of your hair. So this part is the lightest. It became a little bit greenish, and the very orangey part became milk brown. So yeah, so far I like the results. I think it's the best one to tone your brassy hair, and I think it's good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the second